challenger. My lord tests me. This piteous hovel will be your grave, challenger. Final breath. My last kill before becoming.
No way to run a business, I say. Can't even browse while he's with a client.
Another witness to my sacrament. How fortunate!
Run a business, I say. Can't even browse while he's with a client. Even browse while he's with a client.
I mean, yes, mostly.
I couldn't take standing in that godforsaken light a moment more. Felt like I was going to faint.
Fair enough. And they probably chucked you in the river if you did.
Probably. Oh, unless...
Can't slow down.
Make it hurt.
Run a business, I say. Can't even browse while he's with a client.
And I thought we were going to be friends.
Nothing will stand in my way.
No way to run a business, I say. Can't even fly.
Outmaneuver them.
Do you think we could swim into the upper city? Through the river,
Maybe. I don't know how closely they watch it.
Understood.
But there's probably crates and things down there to keep trash like us out.
and I'm not the best with that. Got to know what else is down there.
No way to run a business, I say. Can't even browse while he's with a client.
What do you mean, what else is down there?
Hello? Magic.
I must say, I'm damn lucky you showed up when you did. Can you believe what that monster was doing? Truly? Then you're made of sterner stuff than I, friend. I'll confess, it terrified me greatly. Can you imagine dressing entirely in red? Jests aside, thank you. You forever have my humblest gratitude and a most generous discount on my wares. I sell anything and everything needed to cultivate your countenance. The best you'll find in Baldur's Gate. Certainly better than any dreck you'll pick up in Worm's Crossing. Very good, sir. Now remember, fashion's a fickle mistress, so be sure to return.
So, Gale's hedging his bets with Mistra? I can't say I blame him. Who'd want to hold a power like the Crown of Carthus in their hands just to hand it to someone else? I know what my decision would be, but we're all different, of course.
And they probably chuck you in the river if you did.
Anything of use?
Probably. Oh, unless...
Light on my feet. Bet that will fit in my pack.
Sing the song of Baldur, who founded Baldur's Gate.
Let's have a look.
And wire golden built on trade, not a word we say. When three Doled assailed his fort, transformed he fell there throughout, succumbed as thread from nether years, almost to conquer all. Now hope is gone, or so it seems, but game's not over yet. New cards are drawn, new hands are played, newcomers blaze above.
Sicarius. And a location. We should find this Candle Hallow place.
Devil gift, the odds are cast anew, and Baldur's fate now turns upon the whims of fortune's
I'll feel that one later.
Stories, get them right here.
There's clanking.
Great deal watchers. Does he hate them? No matter what the mouse says.
Chisel, hammer, trowel. Nothing missing at all.
Racing.
If he doesn't come...
You're louder than the file.
Got a bit more shopping to do.
This was here last week.
They're tougher than they look. Plus, even if they lose
What have we here? A magician in a tower, hiding away from the frightening world. What are you so scared of, Magus? Not the night song, surely? Why, she's nothing but a relic to be purchased and pursued.
My God. The Night Song is a person.
At last. There you are, my dear.
You will address me with due deference. I am Dame Aelin. And you are a whelp without honor, without pride, with nothing but a tower full of trinkets.
My apologies, Dame Aelin. I meant no disrespect. Perhaps we could start over. I am LORROAKAN. I am most pleased to make your acquaintance. And that of your fine companion, who perhaps heard I was looking for you. It is mine, I assure you. Perhaps I ought to explain why I went to such tremendous lengths to find you. Dame Aelin, I have discovered a device that would allow your immortality to be shared. It would cause you no harm, no pain of any kind. You serve your mother, Seluna, I believe. She who has blessed our realm with so many gifts. Honor her by sharing yours.
You do not seek to share my gifts. You seek to poach them. You dare to threaten me with the same magic that held me in torment for 100 years!
I had hoped to appeal to your better nature. Perhaps I overestimated you. No bother. I have an arsenal of implements capable of convincing you to see reason. But his magic lives. I'd hoped you to keep an open mind, but it seems you're determined to make this as difficult as possible.
Master, let us show these amateurs the price they pay for challenging real wizards.
I have great plans for you, Dame Aelin. And if you will not go quietly, then you'll go kicking and screaming.
Magicians and their plans for Dame Aelin. Predictable, sadistic, flaccid.
Myrmidons! Imperatum!
Quickly. No better moment.
No choice but to keep going. This is my time.
I'm ready.
For the fallen.
Battle favors the fearless.
Orders.
down.
I'll save you. I swear!
Finding my way.
LORROAKAN. You who would see me caged. You who would purchase my submission with profane gold. Let every wicked magus, every vile murtherer, each slaver and misery merchant see. Dame Aelin is watching. She is indomitable. And when her face lights the shadows of your wrongdoing, you are broken by its beauty!
Sharp as ever.
Can't give up now.
The Firehead Fool is dead. Yet as I stare upon his corpse, I feel sadness. Why? A gripping in the chest, as though I'd lost someone. Something. Paladin's fatigue, no doubt. You were excellent in battle, as is your way. And I am proud to fight at your side. I will catch my breath, then to camp I will bring my bones. Moon Maiden be with you.
defender of the people.
Work to be done.
The pride of the gate.
Ready and waiting. Well, certainly waiting. Onward. Let's see.
Well, some rest's better than none.
Another step forward. Something good here, I hope.
Leave Aelin to her sorrow. Likely the wizard only reminds her of all the other fools past and present who have sought to use her. If you wish, it is a ritual. If they be learned and powerful enough, The practitioner of this ritual might slow their aging, extend their life well beyond its natural reach. It is not something you need concern yourself with. I've picked up stranger things in all my travels. Trust me.
All's well, I hope, aside from the obvious.
How good to see you. Come for a chat? I'm afraid that's not an option. I'm quite stubborn, you see. Take a swing or a stab if you want, but I'll just slip away for a breather. One of the perks of being a half-devil, of course.